Hi, I'm Brian Schuster. I'm a supervisor for award training, and I want to tell you about an exciting blended learnership model. So, what is blended learning? It's the best of electronic efficiency and face-to-face tuition. Okay, so what's in it for you as a facilitator? Well, there's improved income earnings, there's control of where work comes from, and you as a facilitator, you steer the learnerships with your client. There's only 1/5 of the facilitation time that's required. Okay, as a facilitator, I would normally spend 50 weeks of the year doing a learnership in the traditional way. But with the blended learnership model, I only have to spend 10 weeks, and that's 1/5 of the time, and for the same income. I've been facilitating for award training for quite some time now, and some of their recent upgrades in terms of their IT infrastructure will be very helpful with this blended learnership model. For example, things like chat rooms, online support. So although some of the time may be a little bit less in terms of our facilitation, we still provide an excellent service to our learners. Okay, let me just say that award training is also an accredited national training provider with excellent backup systems, administration and support for both facilitators and learners. Okay, one of the other great things about this blended learnership model is that you can actually get your client involved in the process as well. For example, you can invite HR to actually cut a video and include that into the learnership. I mean, you can let your mind go a little bit creative here. For example, you may decide, listen, let's take a camera down a mine shaft to actually go and show the learners what it's like down there. As part of this management program, this then becomes more real to the learners. Okay, for example, you can include some of the stakeholders in your company in this venture. Your MD, for example, may have a message that he wants to bring across to the learners. Or maybe somebody from HR wants to bring a specific aspect of the business into the learnership program. And this can all be done at very little cost. And award training will set everything up for you. Okay, now let me take you through how it will work. Okay, now your company's web portal will be hosted on a dedicated server by award training. On screen you will see your company's name, your company's logo. There will be slogans and specific detail that is specific to your particular company. And learners will be able to enroll through a voucher system. Now this is how the web portal works. Each qualification is made up of a number of different unit standards. Now each unit standard is made up of facilitation. Now facilitation includes some videos. There's also case studies. And now with case studies, your company may decide to add some content that is specific to your organization in a case study. We also have some summary slides, and included is the learner guide. And finally, once a learner has completed a unit standard, he or she can take the self-assessment to assess whether they've understood the content sufficiently. As you can see from the screenshot, the learner receives immediate feedback via SMS, and this will allow the learner to see how well they've done on the self-assessment. And you as a facilitator can be comfortable with the fact that HR is on this journey together with you and the learner. From the system, HR can draw a number of different reports and statistics about the learner to encourage them to stay on track with their course. Now, we as facilitators have clients that we've done work for, and I'm sure that some of those clients would like some repeat business from us. What this blended learnership model provides is an opportunity for clients that you know to become involved in this process. What makes me feel confident is that Award Training is an accredited training company that provides the back-end support for this entire learnership program. And in closing, if you'd like to be part of my next workshop where I explain a little bit more about this exciting opportunity, please contact me directly.